So, Ibrahim has to find the puzzle pieces. It's a guitar. Is it guitar?
No.
We have to find the orange color of piece. Tomato.
Yes.
One board is done.
What?
Yes, keep it on the board. Yes. Very good. Very good. So piece number 6. Okay, keep all the pieces on the board.
One.
Yes.
And two. Wait a minute.
Yes. What is this? This is a bat.
Bat. What is?
Boat. Frame. No. Fox. Fox.
What?
Hmm.
What about you?
This is mouse. Yes, keep it here. इब्राहिम ने 2 कंप्लीट कर लिए. Good, Ibrahim. You have completed 2 boards. You have completed 2 boards. Yes, keep it here. Keep it here. Yes, please keep it here. Good. Now take this one. And which color of pieces do you want for this board? No. You want blue? Okay, take blue.
Me.
Yes, Ibrahim is a smart kid. Yes. Come forward. Yes. Penguin? What is this? Penguin. It's a penguin. And what is this? It's a shoes. It's a dog. Where is the dog?
Yeah.
Yeah. And where is the envelope?
Yeah.
Yes. And where is the penguin?
Yeah.
Yes. So what is this? The baby of the penguin. Okay, done. We have done 3 pieces. 3 puzzle boards. How much? 3. Yes, we have completed 3 puzzle boards. We have completed 3 puzzle board.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so Ibrahim has 6 new puzzle board to make.
Yeah.
Okay, which one you like most? Okay, which color of puzzle board is this? This is purple. This is fish. This is treasure box. This is turtle. This is what? Viking.
It's a star.
It's a star. Yes. Oh, what is this?
It's a snake.
It's a snake. Yes. And tell me everything. What is this? What is this? What is this, Ibrahim? You like this 6 puzzle board?